Multiverse Masters here. I wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you how easy it is to make an 8-ball. So first we want shapes, and of course we need to create the 8-ball texture. It's quite easy. Not going to get too fancy here. The 8. That was kind of crooked. You know, that's okay. It still looks like an 8. Looks like a slanted 8. Like I said, I'm not going to worry too fancy. You can get really specific with this. You can do this in GIMP. You can do it in anything. And then we want to do a fill. Black there. Now what I always do is I use Snip because I don't even worry about saving files. I just do it this way because it's just so much easier for me. You snip that texture like this, and then you save it. Save as 8-ball. Okay, and save. So now I've got that, right? So just create a ball. It's so easy. All right, boom. Okay. Now we're going to edit on that. We need to apply the texture. So to texture, and you go to local, add 8-ball, open, and we click on it, upload. Then we want to go to inventory, texture. Now that's going to take a moment to glow. I like to do shininess too. Okay, so let's rotate this here. Go back to texture. I want to make this big so I can see it better. Okay, so right now my circle is a bit, so I just play with these down here until I get one that I like. Nope, not that one. All right, I know this. See, I'm not exact, but there we go, vertical scale. See, now I'm doing the vertical scale, and it's making it round. Ooh, and then now, not perfect. It's perfectly good enough, though. Okay, so now we're going to general. I like to make everything full permissions. So that's just me. Name it 8-ball, magic 8-ball, because we're gonna script it. All right. So now we need a content. Content, new script. And then all you need to do is I have 26 lines here. So you go float A equals LL Frand, and then this right here. So integer B equals LL round. And this basically all this is going to do is give it a random statement per click. But the thing to remember is B equals 0. This is what they say. Okay. B equals 2, B equals 3, all the way to B equals 26. So say you only wanted 10. What you need to remember is to go up here, and this star Fran would only be 10. If you had 22, it would be star 22. If you wanted to add to this, you would simply go if B equals 27, say, and then you would have to go up here, and you would change this number to 27. Okay? Okay, so let me go character where? 827. Oh, you just gotta kind of debug now. Okay, it's not reading these correctly because it came from another program, so I just have to 30 right here. Okay, so there. Now this works. All right, so now say I wanted that hover text. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to do the hover text separately. Okay, so edit, another new script, these in there, save. Okay, so that's white. So say it says ask a question, touch the magic 8-ball. I say we don't want this white. What you can do is just play around with these and go see if you go 0.5 and save, it changes the color. And I don't even bother looking up the color codes. I just play with these things until I find a color I like. Just play around with them. Doing the color, so, and let's close this. So we can do hover text, rename, hover text. And then this one is, I would name that, new script, rename, random click speech. All right, so just had to make my recorder bigger. So now you tell me, cat, don't count it without a doubt. See, so all of these are hazy. You call it a question. So you can really put anything in here.